Hi, I'm Leslie Davis, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to change colors on your website using the Thesis theme. Take a look at this website. The color along this side of my website is called the site background. The color in this area is called the page background. Now on this particular website and most websites that I design, I use the same color for both, and the reason is that different users see it a little differently. Depending on the browser they use, the screen resolution they have, and the size of their monitor, they may only see the website area, or they may see a lot of this site background color. I find it easier to just make them the same, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how to change them. Log in to your WordPress admin page. Once you're in the administrative area, you go first to the dashboard, then click on the Thesis button on your screen. You'll see that there are several different options. We want to select the Design option. When you're in the Design options, what you'll see is that on the left-hand side of your screen, you have the Fonts, Colors, and More section. That allows you to change the color in any section of your website that you want. We're going to do a simple one. We're going to go to the Body and Content area. And once here, we get to see the site background color selection and the page background color selection. Also in here are the fonts and the different text colors and link and hover colors. But we're going to concentrate on the site background color and the page background color just for this tutorial. Now remember, you always use a 6-digit HTML code when you're selecting a color, and that can be a combination of letters and numbers, or all letters, all numbers. In this instance, because we had the same site background and page background color, the color I selected was DED-BCA. We're going to change the site background color, so I'll just go over it and delete it, and I'm going to make it the same red color as I have in my header. So that color is CC0000. And you do need to make sure that you're using zeros or O's, depending on what it is. I'm going to click the Save button, and then we're going to go back to the website and take a look. When we get there, we see that the site background color is now red. We also see that there's a line between this bottom navigation bar and the top of the post. If I were not using the same color, I would want to pull those together. But because I'm using the same color, it really doesn't matter. You can't see it, so I just leave it alone. That's how easy it is to change a color in Thesis. Let's go back and change it back. And to do that, we simply go back to Body and Content area, the site background color. I'm going to delete it and change it back to DED-BCA. Click the Save button, and I'm done. That's how easy it is to change colors using the Thesis theme.